7. Today I will teach you percentage and its application exercise 9e and topic discount. Discount. So what is the discount, dear students? Discount means suppose that you are purchasing this book, okay, and the price is there 505 or 500, okay. So this is called, which is this tag price. This is mark price, which is this price, tag price, it is mark price. Mark price, which is written on book, okay, it is mark price 500, and sometime it is written 10% discount on all books. Suppose that a bookseller is giving 10% discount on the book, okay. So discount equal to 10%. So what is the discount? Discount equal to 10% on of 500. 10 upon 100 into 500, 0 0 0 0 cancel means rupees 50. Now at which price this book is available? That is SP. SP equal to selling price equal to mark price minus discount, okay. Mark price was 550 rupees, discount means chhoot, okay. This is discount. Now book is available on rupees 450. This is the discount, and you have to keep it in your mind that mark price is given, discount is given only on mark price, okay. Discount is given. Now formula I am writing, rules and formula I am writing. The discount is given on mark price, okay. Then discount equal to mark price minus sell price, or sell price SP equal to mark price minus discount. Then discount percent equal to rate of discount means discount percent, rate of discount equal to discount, rate of discount equal to discount into 100 upon mark price, okay. These are the formulas. And if discount percent and SP are given, then MP mark price equal to, then mark price equal to 100 upon 100 minus discount percent into SP. This is the mark price. And if discount percent and MP are given, then SP equal to 100 minus discount percent upon 100 into MP, okay dear students. This is the formula. Now question number 1, find the discount. First part, MP equal to rupees 25 and SP equal to rupees 23.50. Then discount equal to, you know very well, just I told you, discount equal to mark price minus sell price. This is discount, means 25 minus 23.50. When we will subtract, then it will be 1.50 rupees. Okay. Now, question number 2. A shopkeeper marks the price of an article at rupees 80, means this is mark price rupees 80, and discount equal to 10%. Okay, find the selling price. Discount equal to 10%. So dear student, SP equal to when MP and discount both are given, and we have to find the SP, then SP equal to 100 minus discount percent upon 100 into MP. 100 minus 10 into 80, it is 80 dear students, upon 100, it is 90 into 80 upon 100, 0 0 0 0 cancel, rupees 72. This is the answer. Okay. Now question number 4. Find MP. Mark price when SP equal to rupees 990 and discount equal to 1%. Then MP equal to 100 upon 100 minus discount percent into SP. 100 into 990 upon 100 minus 1. Then 100 into 990 upon 99 tenza. Then MP equal to mark price equal to rupees 1000. 7. A shopkeeper gives a discount of 10% for a cash payment. At what price is an article marked if its cash price is rupees 13.50? Discount equal to 10% and SP equal to rupees 13.50, and at what price is an article marked, means marked price we have to find. MP equal to 100 upon 100 minus discount percent into SP. 100 into 13.50 upon 100 minus 10 equal to 100 into 13.50 upon 90, 0 0 cancel. Okay, 0 decimal cancel, then 1 2 digits are there, then 2 0 will increase here. 1 2 3 1 2 3 0 cancel. Now 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Now MP equal to rupees 15. This is the answer.